She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe, we're going to go ahead and make a loaded baked potato salad. So these are the ingredients that we'll be using today to make this wonderful loaded baked potato salad. As you can see, it's got all the wonderful toppings that you might find on your favorite loaded baked potato, but it's going to be in potato salad form. So hopefully you guys are ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so here we have it, the loaded baked potato salad. As you can see, we've got all the wonderful flavors that you would find in a traditional loaded baked potato, but we went ahead and put it in this classic potato salad form. Definitely great for a side meal, or you can eat it by itself as well. Definitely reminiscent of all of the flavors of a great baked potato. You've got the sour cream, the bacon, the cheese, the green onions, everything that at least I love on my baked potato. So hopefully you guys did enjoy today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Go ahead and drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you've ever tried loaded baked potato salad before. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.